In today's video, we're going to find out how to build a website for free. So I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain name, free hosting, because normally you would have to pay for a domain name, hosting, and potentially a website builder. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do this for free. So free hosting, it's easy. Free domain name, which is easy, and then also build the website for free. So if you're interested in building up your own website, keep watching this video and let's just get into it right now. Alright, so let's start off by showing you how you can get a free domain name. So you want to open a browser and then search for Freenom. So Freenom is the website where we can get a free domain name. So Freenom was found in the Netherlands, I believe, because the headquarters are in Amsterdam, and it's founded by a Dutch man as well. But I'm going to go to the website, and this is where you can get a free domain name. So first of all, you want to sign in. I'm already signed in because I have an account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up in the top right corner. Now once you're here, you can find a new free domain. So what you can do, you can type in the domain that you want to get. For example, how to digital YouTube. You then click right here and it's going to check whether it's available or not. Alright, so this one is not available. This one is available. All of these four are available. For example, if I wanted to go with this one right here, all I would have to do is click on get it now. And by the way, this one is not available because I already have that. When I was testing the video, I actually got that one. But click on the one that you would like to use and then click on checkout. This will send you over here where you can click on period, then select 12 months for free. And once the 12 months are over, like once it expires, you just want to let it expire and then get it again on the website for free for another 12 months. And you can keep doing that instead of paying right here. All right, so choose 12 months, then click on continue. And then right here, you want to agree to the terms and then click on complete order. And then you should actually have your domain name. If you click on services and then click on my domains, you'll actually see the domains that you currently have. So right there, we've got howtodigitalyouTube.ml. Now that we've got our domain, we also need free hosting. For that, we're going to be using Infinity Free. So Infinity Free is a website where you can get free hosting. You want to start off by simply creating an account. Right there, you can click on sign up now. So sign up right here. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on sign in. And I'm just going to sign into my account. And there we go. I just signed into my account. So you can click on create account right here. Before that though, you want to go to your domain name on Freenom and then click on manage domain. On here, you want to click on management tools right there. And then click on name servers. And then click on use custom name servers. Right there. Then go to Infinity Free, click on create account. Scroll down, click on custom domain. Then paste your domain. There we go, copy. Then paste it in there. Click on search domain. Scroll down, you can change this if you want to. There we go. Choose a password, so also do that right now. Confirm that you're not a robot and then click on create account. Alright, now once you do that, you will get this error right here. So what you can do, you can copy this one. These are the name servers that you need. Paste it in there. Then copy the second one. Just like that. And then paste it in the name server number 2. Then you want to click on change name servers, just like that. And there you go, changes saved successfully. What you can do next is do this again basically. So just come up with a password and then click on create account. And because you've now connected these name servers, this should actually work. And there we go. So we've just set that up. All you need to do next is click on open control panel. So this is where we can actually start building our website. You want to approve this and the panel will now load. So once you're here, all you need to do is install WordPress. So scroll all the way down and then right there you'll find software and then the software list apps installer. Click on that. Okay, so something went wrong. Please allow 20 minutes and then retry. So sometimes when you've just connected these two, it might take a while to update. So I'm just going to refresh this and then scroll down again, and we'll see if it works this time. Alright, so we just gotta wait a few minutes and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so it's been like 5 minutes. Let's just refresh the page and then scroll down, and then we should be able to install WordPress onto our website. Yes, there we go. So right there you'll find WordPress, click on install. So make sure to choose a theme. I'll just go with this one for now, and then click on install, and there we go. So right now it's installing WordPress. Shouldn't take too long, but I'll be back once it's done. Alright, there we go. So right now if I just click on this, it will bring me to my website. As you can see right there, it's got the domain howtodigitalyoutube.ml, which is the domain I got for free on Freenom. I then linked it on Infinity Free for the hosting, and right now this is the website. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can get a free domain and a free hosting so that you can build your own website. What you can do now is click on this link, then sign into your WordPress account that you just created while installing, and you can then customize your website and build an entire website with that domain. If this video helps you out, leave a like on the video, let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.